2022, the Emergency Operations Center, EOC, will conduct its annual hurricane preparedness meeting. So I'll be hosting that meeting for the 2022 hurricane season, which starts on June 1st, 2022. All EOC members, including the 10 emergency support functions and their teams, will be given the opportunity to state their level of preparedness. The NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, predicts an above normal 2022 Atlantic hurricane season. These predictions are always subject to change. However, they give us the necessary forewarnings needed to prepare on a national, but also on an individual level. The population of St. Maarten is encouraged to continue to monitor the government's communication mediums. We've already started our PSAs in this regard. Thank you, DCOM, and especially related to the hurricane season and our preparedness. And the Met Office, the Meteorological Office, mediums also regularly put out updates. So please pay attention to these. And remember, each of us have an individual responsibility to ensure that our families and our homes are protected and prepared for any eventuality, but most certainly as June comes up for the hurricane season.